In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple OneDrive accounts to one Windows 10 computer. OneDrive is a convenient tool for file storage and sharing, but you may not know that you can manage multiple accounts from a single device. This is particularly handy if you have both work, school, and personal accounts. We'll break this down step by step, making it easy for you to follow along and set up your OneDrive accounts effectively. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is locate the OneDrive cloud icon within your taskbar. This little icon sits quietly among others and represents your current OneDrive account. If you're having trouble spotting it, look for the small cloud symbol on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you find it, click on that icon to begin. After you have clicked on the cloud icon, your next move is to search for the gear icon, which represents the settings. It's often tucked away in a corner of the OneDrive window, so keep an eye out for it. Click on this gear icon as it will take you to the settings of your OneDrive app. In the settings menu, you'll need to select the option labeled settings again. By doing this, it brings up a set of options where you can manage different aspects of your OneDrive application. It's important to note that we're focusing on accessing a specific tab today, so don't get overwhelmed by the choices you see. Now navigate to the account tab. This particular section is crucial because it's where we can manage our current accounts and add new ones. Once you're in the account tab, look for the button that says add an account. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding another OneDrive account. As you click add an account, you'll be prompted to follow a series of on-screen instructions. These prompts will guide you through logging into your OneDrive account. This could be a work or school account, so be ready with the necessary credentials. Remember, you can add different accounts, but there's a catch. For personal OneDrive accounts, you can only have one linked to your Windows 10 computer at any given time. However, you're in luck if you have multiple work or school accounts because you can add as many of those as needed. To summarize, you now know how to access the settings in OneDrive and what to do to add multiple accounts. This can be incredibly helpful for those juggling personal and professional responsibilities, making it simple to switch between accounts on the same device. We hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, follow, and stay tuned for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.